Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to CyberToge. Today we're looking at two audio mixers from FIFINE, the SC3 and the SC8. But this isn't going to be a normal review because I'm going to give both of these units away. FIFINE was kind enough to provide me with a white SC3 and a white SC8 for this video, but I actually owned both of these mixers before they reached out. So I figured it would be cooler to give them away to two people watching this video. So let's get the giveaway stuff out the way. There'll be two winners. One person will receive the SC3 and the other will receive the SC8. To enter, all you have to do is leave a comment below, letting me know what you would use the mixer for, whether it's streaming, gaming, or content creation, and which one do you prefer, the SC3 or the SC8? And I'll randomly select one winner for each unit. Alright, so the legal stuff. The giveaway is open to anyone 18 years old or older, and you have to live in the contiguous United States. So sorry if you're watching this from outside the US. And it will remain open for 2 weeks from the date this video is published, so 2 Fridays from now. Now, once the giveaway closes, I'll reply to the 2 winning comments from this exact channel, like my handle. So please do not leave your email address or any other personal information in the comments. I'll be shipping both of these mixers myself, so once I've verified the winners, I'll contact them privately to arrange shipping. And please, be careful with scammers. I'll never ask you to pay for shipping or ask for any payment information or any of that stuff, nor contact you from like a random app or a random account. The only winning replies will come from this channel at CyberToge. I'll also update the pinned comment on this video once the 2 winners have been selected. You do not have to purchase anything, and liking or subscribing to this channel or this video is not required to enter. I'll leave the complete giveaway rules in the description below. So with all that out of the way, what exactly are audio mixers and who are they made for? So the easiest way to explain it is that these mixers act as an interface between your PC and your microphone. Instead of connecting your microphone straight to your PC and controlling everything through Windows or OBS, you connect the microphone directly to the mixer and get physical controls for things like microphone gain, headphone volume, muting, monitoring, and different audio effects. Both mixers also allow you to connect a compatible microphone through XLR. One important thing to mention is that these mixers do not support USB-only mics. You need a microphone with XLR or 1/4 inch output. But why would you connect a microphone through XLR instead of just USB-C? Alright, so the honest answer is that XLR won't magically make your audio sound better. A bad microphone doesn't suddenly become amazing through XLR, but with a USB microphone, the mic has its own preamp and audio conversion built into it. It processes the signal internally and sends the finished digital audio directly to your computer. With XLR, the microphone sends an analog signal to the audio mixer like the SC3 or the SC8. The mixer then handles the gain and converts that signal before sending it to your PC. That gives you more physical control over the audio, makes it easier to monitor and adjust things while recording, and gives you flexibility if you decide to upgrade your microphone later. Now, in my case, I used the FIFINE AM8 mic plugged through XLR directly to the SC8 mixer, and having all the controls directly in front of me made recording stuff easier. I can adjust microphone level, mute myself, monitor the audio, and use effects without digging through Windows or open like another software menu. Both mixers were also extremely easy to set up. These were actually my first dedicated audio mixers, so I don't have a lot of experience with other more expensive interfaces, but I was able to understand the basic controls like almost immediately. And for the price, honestly, both of them have been great. Alright, so let's start with the SC3. It's the simpler and more affordable of the two. So you have individual physical controls for your microphone, line in, line out outputs, and your headphones. It supports dynamic and condenser XLR microphones, including 48-volt phantom for compatible condenser mics. You also get direct microphone monitoring, dedicated mute controls, and customizable RGB lighting. The SC3 includes several voice changing effects as well, and 4 customizable sound pads. You can record short sound into each button and like trigger it while gaming or streaming, or if you're just recording. The voice changer is definitely more of a fun feature, but I'm not gonna lie,
it's a lot of fun to mess around with.
it was easy to install, easy to understand, and again, worked great for the price. Alright, but then we have the SC8. The SC8 keeps the same basic idea but gives you more control and more features. The biggest upgrade is the ability to separately balance your game audio and voice chat using the large game and chat control. This is especially useful for gaming and streaming because you can quickly prioritize the game or your teammates without opening another application. It also adds more connection options, selectable EQ modes, virtual surround processing, and support for FIFINE's Genie software. The software gives you more additional control over the mixer, but most of the features that you regularly use are still available directly on the hardware. The SC8 also replaces the traditional faders that you see in the SC3 with large rotary controls and LED level indicators. Personally, I think it looks cool and is the more polished one out of the 2 units, especially if it's going to sit like permanently on your desk. But that does not necessarily mean that everyone needs an SC8. The SC3 makes a lot more sense for someone who wants a straightforward and affordable way to connect your XLR mic, control levels, and have some fun with the soundboard and sound effects. The SC8 is better suited for somebody who streams, or you play a lot of like multiplayer games and you need that separate game and chat control, or someone who simply wants more connectivity and more customization. For my own setup, the SC8 is the one that I prefer, and it's become a regular part of my recording workflow. But both units have been really easy to use, and for someone buying their first audio interface, I think either one will be a very approachable place to start. So, once again, if you want to enter the giveaway, leave a comment below telling me which one of these do you prefer and what do you want to use it for. The giveaway will remain open for 2 weeks, and the complete rules, as I mentioned earlier, are down in the description. So, good luck to anyone who enters, and big thanks to FIFINE for providing both these units for the giveaway. Alright guys, catch you in the next video. Later.